You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to block certain types of content or channels on YouTube. On the YouTube website, find a video from a channel you want to block. Click the three-dot menu next to the video. Select Don't Recommend Channel. This tells YouTube's algorithm to show you fewer videos from that channel. To block specific keywords or topics, you need to use YouTube's restricted mode. Click your profile picture, then select restricted mode. Toggle it on. This filters out mature content but is a broad filter, not specific to keywords. For more granular control, you can use browser extensions like BlockTube or Video Blocker on a computer. These allow you to block channels, keywords, and even comments containing certain words. On the YouTube mobile app, you can only use the Don't Recommend Channel option by tapping the three dots on a video. To block a user from commenting on your channel, go to YouTube Studio, select Comments, find a comment from that user, click the three dots, and select Hide User from Channel. For parents, consider setting up a supervised Google account for children with stricter content filters through Family Link. YouTube does not offer a native way to block specific video topics like gaming across the platform. For more simple YouTube management tutorials, subscribe to the channel.